at that. Whole brain. This isn't the game. The game. Whoa, hello. What brought you here, sir? This place isn't for... Anyway. This is so awkward. Well, I'll just assume you know this place already. However, but since I'm still required by my superior to do this, I'll make an introduction anyway. Okay, Hello, sir. I'm Horu, and the designer operator of this Anomalous coffee machine. In case you don't know yet, this machine can dispense anything you can imagine into liquid form. It can dispense a cup of anything, and it's totally drinkable. Literally anything you can imagine, as long as you have a word for it. Just click on the keyboard and type a word for a few words. It may or may not work. Just try your luck and see what happens. But remember that anything can happen or nothing at all. My sole purpose is to guide travelers like you on operating this machine until you find what you're looking for. Whatever the hell it is. Anyway, that's all, I suppose. You may click on me if you need anything. Or you can click the hint button on the top left on the screen for hints. It's the light bulb button. But which one is the hint one? Just stay cautious, okay? Guess I'm supposed to click the machine. This is not the game I'm supposed to be playing, but let me just try it out anyway. Type here. What's the goal? That's the cut box. It is Italy. Let's type in coffee. Enter. What is it? A cup of coffee. Coffee. Skip. Cup of coffee is now ready. Give me the coffee. Never drink or drink this cup. I'll let it drink. Classic. Bitter, warm, and kind of smug about it. My fingers feel jittery already. It's like looking up and falling asleep at the same time. I don't even like it, but I still drink another one. Let's drink the coffee. It is hot though. She has to hold it with blankets. What's the scene? Well, I was just watching her drinking coffee. Do I click on the coffee? Do I click on her? Look. There's nothing going on. Let's see. That was it? Hold on. I'll click on the guy too. An anomalous coffee machine. He says that after a whole sentence of her explaining what the coffee does. Let's see something. Cool. Aid. Enter. What the hell are you typing? Are you a freaking psycho? Oh yeah, she's not black. She doesn't know what Kool-Aid is. Let's see it. Milk. Please wait. And this is nice. This is a cup of milk. Let's take this. Let me check this cup. Ah, that's cold. Like straight from the fridge, cold. Tastes normal, creamy, a little flat, maybe even comforting. But there's something weird about how still it feels going down. Like it's trying to lull something in me to sleep. It's just milk, man. Maybe milk's not about the taste. It's about pretending things used to be simple. What? What else am I supposed to type? Can I help you, sir? Can I help you, sir? Yes, I need help. I'm clicking on you for hints. Where's the hint button? This is the hint button. Here's your first hint. What term refers to the shape or structure of something? What term refers to the shape or structure of something? Volume? Volume? What the hell are you typing? Are you a freaking psycho? I'm a psycho for just typing volume. That's like the sound to music. Let's see, water. Is it water? Skip. Cup of water is not ready. Drink a cup. Oh, that's just water, I think. I guess even plain water can feel strange when you don't trust where it came from. Fun how something so simple can still leave you wondering what's missing. Tea. Let's try tea. Tea. Let's let her drink it. Oh wow, that's soft. It smells like flowers and old books, kind of. Tea doesn't smell like old books. The taste so light, but it lingers, you know. I feel like I'm being politely told to calm the hell down. She changed. This feels polite. Like my soul just borrowed to itself. Her whole outfit changed because she drank tea? Do I smell like leaves now or memory? Can I help you, sir? Damn it. Juice. Let's check the cup. Whoa, okay, that's straight up fruit, candy, and liquid form. It's sweet, tangy, kinda addicting. I could chug like 5 of these. Wow, the juice actually changes the outfit as well. You're not glowing, you're radiating some meaning. Everything feels quieter now that you've changed. Damn, what's another beverage? Let's try soda. Let's see what soda does. Soda. Her drink. Ooh, fizzy, really fizzy. It's bubbling way too much in my throat. My stomach's bloating like a balloon. Why do I feel so jittery? My fingers won't stop twitching. I can't sit still. Like there's pressure building up in my chest. Okay, that's racist. All people that drink soda do not have this kind of retro pop look. I fizz when I laugh now. There's too many bubbles in my spine. I feel synthetic and popular. So drinking soda means you're popular? I didn't even know that. Champagne. Champagne! Let's get drunk! Let's drink this one. This tastes like... I don't know. Maybe the word champagne just don't work on this machine. He never had champagne before. He doesn't know what it tastes like. Let's see if she does it. Champagne. Skip. Alright, let her drink. This cup of coffee tastes like... It's very hard to say. Overall, this cup of coffee tastes like meh. Okay, so I take it this game is just stereotypical based on the drinks or beverages.